Hi, good afternoon. This is Craig Schukar. I'm an Infoblox sales engineer. I've been co-hosting some of our reporting and analytics tech demo series on reporting and analytics. I would like to share with you a task that has come up in our FAQs a couple times during our tech demo series, and that is how to add a dashboard to the reporting and analytics. It's fairly easy to do. Again, I haven't had a chance to go through this. We've had other reports we wanted to demonstrate and showcase, but today I want to go about importing a dashboard, right? So we've got our home dashboard, and then we click on the dashboards tab, and we've got a list of a bunch of other dashboards that are very quite useful. But if you want to create a new dashboard, on the top right section over here, there's this create new dashboard, this green button. But before you do that, I think a good idea is to go to the Infoblox community site and search in the reporting section. And there are several dashboards that have been created by customers and partners of ours. And basically, you can upload them quite easily into your grid if you find them useful. So I've found one that I think could be very useful for a lot of different organizations, especially if they have retail or they process any credit card data. And this is the PCI Compliance Dashboard. Reports, let me see. This report maps some of the data contained in the Infoblox database to the PCI DSS and provides a dashboard to easily identify any compliance issues. It also provides two customizable gauges, one for grid-wide bad DNS queries and one for percent of discovered devices making queries to known bad domains. So the percent of known grid-wide bad DNS queries, and the second one, they might require having our Blocks 1 threat defense or active trust license since they're related to DNS security. However, let me go back to the topic at hand, and that's creating a dashboard, or importing the dashboard, I should say. So let's go back to the grid. Again, on the reporting tab, on the dashboard sub-tab, to the right, we see the create new dashboard. So I click on create new dashboard. I'm going to give it a name. Craig's DCI dashboard. And we'll create it. And then we got this blank palette. So all we need to do is click on edit source over here to the top right. And then we get this plain text tablet for XML. Well, that's basically what the dashboards are created out of. So we go back to this website, and here's this XML for this PCI dashboard. So I'm just going to copy it, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, get every last tag, down to the last tag, and then select copy, and then go back to the grid manager and highlight these two dashboard tags and select paste. That's it. That's pretty much it, right? And then I'm going to click on save. So it's going to save it, and then it's going to render it. And you'll see this first HTML panel. I might want to go back in and edit the XML. Or rename it. So not all these panels have data. Malware penetration rate. This is on a demo grid. We don't have a lot of any malicious content or any bad queries going around. This also gives us a DNS vulnerability level, but then we can see threat protection counts. This is from our advanced DNS protection services. I regularly monitor and test networks from the DSS section 10 and 11. Device fingerprint changes, so how many of these devices switched fingerprint class type. That might be known for alarm if a device goes from being a Macintosh to a Windows device or something different. Or DHCP list history, and then I also have user logon history down here. So this dashboard isn't complete because I don't have all the data in this specific grid, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to import a dashboard so you've got more options on how you view your data within the Infoblox Reporting and Analytics appliance. Hope you found that useful. and we're going to record this and make this available so you can reference it at a later date. Thank you very much and have a great day.